Anthropic just completely screwed me. So if you are aware of the latest news, Anthropic has basically prevented you using your Claude subscription to be able to run with OpenClaw to essentially utilize a certain amount of tokens. Now you can no longer do that. So if you are like me and you need to make that switch to a different model, you can do that by switching over to ChatGPT. The only issue is that you may have some difficulty transitioning from Cloud over to ChatGPT. So what I recommend is just to go ahead and create a backup file of all of your assistants and store that someplace safe. I also recommend to use Cursor or at least download it. You don't need the paid version. The free version will do just fine. This is really helpful in case things get a little bit weird or dicey, which they did for me. And then last, be sure to ask your assistant how to switch over to ChatGPT, just like you have it set up with Claude, so that it understands. If you end up asking ChatGPT or Perplexity outside of that, they may try to take you over to the API token, which is generally more expensive of a process than just going through the same process you did with Claude. So I asked Sally to make this switch. She opened up a link for me, and then I was able to sign into my ChatGPT through my actual phone. So I was able to actually take a picture of the QR code, scan it, and then be redirected to the site. Everything looked good at the moment, and then when I tried to launch, that is where things got a little dicey. Thankfully, I was able to use Cursor and just with a few commands get everything realigned and set back up, and they were able to launch. So if you have any questions or if you'd like any further insight, feel free to ask. We'll be more than happy to help you out as we go through this lovely transition. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.